Oh, nasty out here. Be careful, that's all I'd say. Whoa! I felt that. Is that why that's on it, baby? I said maybe, that's all. How's that? Hot?
Well,
Oh! I heard that. It sounded like a hail, piece of hail hitting the back of here. Could have been that, yeah. Okay.
now I go over there.
Yeah. Could have been one of my... It's coming from this way, the rain. Can't see shit, look now. Can't really see a lot. But look, I can see lights over there, okay.
This might be a tornado coming up.
Well then get home. Okay? In front of it. Yeah. You can't see anything. Be careful, please. Okay, I see the line, you're right on it here. Okay? You need, your windshield wipers need to go a little faster, but I don't think they do they? That's what I mean.
When you see that, that's fine. I can see.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be.
Well, then I'm not looking at it because I can't see shit. But now I can see there. Kind of hard to see, okay? I'm partially open just a little bit, not all the way. And I'm going to leave it to here, so. Yep. I'll get the one from Walter.
Stuff on it.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Brian, be careful, please. Maybe. Okay, that's good enough for now. I'm just... You okay?
Yeah.
Stop it for a minute?
I want to see if that guy's going to take responsibility. He turned in front of that man and he hit him.
Oh, he better. We saw it on tape. Keep an eye on him. Oh, that's... Oh. No, she's saying something. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I see the edge of her car right there. No, she's making sure to tell him it's his fault.